Solo 3, Playing with Sequences. Here's a solo that involves the sequence that you learned in the previous lesson. Combining sequences with a few notes and bends from the scale shape is a great way to create solos. Here's the solo you just heard one more time, but in a slower tempo. The solo includes a couple of ascending and descending sequences. This might look hard, but with some practice, you'll nail this in no time. In the following lesson, you'll start at a lower tempo and then gradually build up the speed. Remember to use your ring finger instead of your pinky when you bend to get more power and control. Once you're comfortable playing this solo, you should practice playing it without looking at the fretboard.